everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a return of a subscription I unboxed a couple of months ago, and it's a cooking subscription, and it's by Bakedin, and this is the Baking Club. It's got my address on there. This is how it arrives in the post. So letterbox friendly. So if you're new to Bakedin, I will just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what we made and the contents inside this box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Bakedin, as the name suggests, is a home baking subscription box. It is based in the UK and currently they only ship within the UK. Cost of the box is £10.99 and you can cancel any time, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. All recipes are approved by top pastry chef Michelle Roux. It's a really lovely subscription. Since I did my unboxing video a couple of months ago, I have been receiving this monthly. It's just I haven't got round to showing you. So I just thought with this particular subscription, I would just dip in and out with YouTube just to tell you all about it. But usually as soon as we receive a box, the kids want to make something straight away. So I haven't got a chance to film it. But no, I've saved this one just so I can share it with you. So inside the box, you'll receive all the dry ingredients that you will need. I will show you as we go through. They also have a YouTube channel and they release the video of them preparing and making the products that are inside these boxes, so you get to see it visually. If like me you are a visual learner and you don't do well with following written instructions, then that is perfect. They also offer gift subscriptions and they have a online shop. Now, as well as the baking club, they also have a bread making club as well. So all links and everything related to this box, plus links to the bread making club as well, I'll pop down in my description. And I have a discount code which will entitle you to have your first box for £5.99. I'll pop that down there as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. Click that, that will bring up my description and all the discount codes and links and everything will be listed down there. Oh, and I forgot to say that shipping is also included in the price. So let's show you what I received. This is what it looks like. And these are all the dry ingredients. So I will show you in more detail. But we always get a little booklet like this. We've got lemon and blueberry biscotti. I can't wait to try these. Can't wait. I love anything lemons. And it's got in really easy to follow instructions there. Now on the back here it tells you the skill level, the prep time, the bake time, how many servings it makes, tells you what's in the kit, and it shows you also what you need to buy yourself, and it gives a link to the video so you're able to follow along. And then down the bottom it tells you all about the ingredients and what's included. Now, because this is a relatively small subscription, currently they are unable to offer any gluten-free or dairy-free or nut-free products in their boxes, but it's something they might be able to do in the future. So fingers crossed, because I do think this is a really lovely subscription. So yeah, so let's show you what I received. So it's all numbered, so you can't go wrong. So it looks like this. So number 1, sugar, I think. By the way, I am not the best chef at all. I am pretty bad. And then number 2, we've got some flour. Number 3, we've got some coal. Only joking. What on earth are they? Dried blueberries. They look like little pieces of coal. And they're solid. They must be dried blueberries. Number 4, we've got some seeds, some poppy seeds. And then number 5, it looks like we've got some ice in there. So those are all the dry ingredients. So as well as those, we get a little piping bag, a disposable piping bag, and we get a few sheets of greaseproof paper, and they've got a butter measurer, which is really handy. So you prop this up against your butter and it tells you exactly how much butter you need. So if you need 25 grams, you just cut off that much, etc. Which is really good, isn't it? So save you faffing around on a scales maybe. So we are going to make it and I'll bring you along. I'll just film little bits all throughout and I'll show you what they look like at the end. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know your thoughts on this subscription box. Do you subscribe to any of the baking clubs that they offer, or are you watching this wondering if you should try a one-off box, or maybe you'd like to start a subscription or not? all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.